Thank you so much for joining me on this presentation, and I'm going to present how you can simplify your public cloud solutions with Apache CloudStack and StackBill. So thank you for CloudStack Collab conference for the wonderful opportunity, and thank you Yvette and Jami especially for making the visas and immigration process. It went so smooth. Thank you everyone. So the mission of StackBill is we want to be the most preferred cloud management platform by 2025. So in terms of most preferred, we would like to solve real problems of data centers on going public. So we want to solve the problems on their storage, on their network, on their security. So these are the problems that what we would like to solve with the help of Apache CloudStack. And StackBill is, as I said again, it is a product of Assistance Networks, and we started our operations in 2004. So till 2004, still we are working 24/7 round the clock, and only on the pandemic we started searching our keys. So where is our keys? We want to close our offices. So this is how 24/7 works, and we have been serving enterprises and data centers since 2004, and we are an ASCOM certified member. We co-create best practices around world organizations. And right now we are serving 100+ countries and with 1,000+ clients, helping their organization grow each and every second. So we are one of the notable companies in server management since 2004. So StackBill, in a short phrase, it's a complete self-service, intuitive cloud management platform with extensive features leveraging Apache CloudStack with state-of-art years of expertise. When I say state-of-art, so we really started adopting CloudStack when it was cloud.com, and then later it was Apache CloudStack. And then we started developing a product called FogPanel, which was acquired by UST Global. And next 5 years, we have not done any project regarding CloudStack. We have been supporting CloudStack users extensively. Then we want to solve real problems after 5 years, and we started building a product called StackBill. And we would say that we are pioneer of cloud management platforms. As I said, after FogPanel development, which is an enterprise cloud, we want to get a new product and solving real problems. And right now, currently it is installed on 10 regions with managing around 10,000+ VMs. We have client in South Africa, South America, Brazil, Argentina, US, and so on, and including China. And I would like to connect Simon Wells. So I guess it is the last presentation of the day, and thank you. I guess the great advantage of first presentation and the last presentation is only good guys stays till the last presentation. And as Simon Wells was connecting, sharing the share of the cloud computer market size. It goes around 663 billion on 2024, and by 2027, it would be around $1,225 billion of market. On public IaaS, right now, the 2024 would be, it's expected around $125 billion. So the bigger question over here is, what is our market share on it, and how do we monetize this opportunity and make real money? And again, Simon Wells, the VP of Apache CloudStack, was mentioning these are the community interest of Apache CloudStack, and we would like to take these marketplace apps, billing, and most advanced load balancing features, and we are happy that we are parallelly traveling together with the community interest. And any data center, the real need is they want to increase their revenue, and they want to decrease their cost, and they want to expand their market share. So our product with Apache CloudStack could really help on the increasing revenue. We have several case studies of several clients who has been continuously increasing their revenue over the years, and who has started decreasing their operational cost, and who has been expanding the market share around the globe. And we see that there is an opportunity for each and everyone who can go with the data center into a public cloud. And when we speak about the key challenges for the data center on becoming a cloud data center, so we would iterate some challenges which we regularly cross upon. Say lack of simplicity and self-servicing, with the data center on going public. So there is no simplified platform for the data centers. So that is why customers started depending on Amazon or GCP, and the global companies take all the market share. So there is a lack of simplicity, and there is no self-servicing solutions, perfect self-servicing solutions like what the bigger giants provide. So the next challenge is moving into a cross-platform migration. So we have seen several case studies where customers are already settled with the software and who is not able to migrate into a new kind of platform. So there is a challenge in cross-platform migration. And there is a high cost for expertise. When we want to build a solution or a billing or load balancer or any kind of solution, there is a high cost involved on the software expertise, and you want more than money, you are really going to spend your time on building the softwares. So there is a high cost for software expertise here. And there is no real pay-per usage model over the data centers. So when I say real, still data centers are selling as virtual machines or cloud VPS or cloud virtual machines. So we want to help data centers into making money through selling the resources on what they have. And again, the security and compliance plays a very important role and a key challenge for data center on becoming a cloud data center. And so with this all challenges, we are really trying to solve all these challenges with our solution. And let's redefine our public cloud solution with the masterpiece of cloud orchestration, that is Apache CloudStack. So whenever we see Apache CloudStack users, they always say about the simplicity, and Apache CloudStack is more simpler than any other cloud platform. And this simplicity made us love with Apache CloudStack, and we have already waited more than 10 years now, and we are very happy that there is some solution coming out with Apache CloudStack and StackBill. And we have several adoptions who are adopting CloudStack with the help of StackBill. And as I said, Apache CloudStack is simpler, but we want to make things simple. So as Einstein rightly said, make everything as simple as possible, but not simpler. So with CloudStack and StackBill, things are going to be very simple. And let me give you what are the things that what we have simplified. And all-in-one cloud platform for data centers, telecom, cloud service providers. You can plug and play with CloudStack. Just install your CloudStack, or if you have an existing environment with CloudStack, you can just plug and play with CloudStack. And you can immediately automate your cloud billing. And there is monitoring automation. And all under your brand name. You're going to bill your client on your brand name. That is takes your brand opportunity. And there is a super marketplace. I'm going to share you the slide of the marketplace. And we do setup and migration assistance. So whether you are on Proxmox or whether you are on KVMs, and definitely we could see and we could check on the possibilities on migration to a CloudStack, and then you can integrate with StackBill. And we have simplified the process. And when speaking about the admin features, what StackBill have right now is you can create, manage user accounts, and you can add and scale data center locations. You can set up your own plans and pricing, postpaid and prepaid. You can multi-zone with multi-pricing. You can configure each and every zone with multi-pricing, and trials, coupons, discounts, third-party plugin management, invoice and reporting system. So which is a descriptive invoice and reporting system what Amazon or Google provides. And you have a custom payment integration where you can bill your clients on your own currency, and AD and LDAP integration is also possible on admin features, and all under your brand name, your cloud brand. And we have simplified this process. And when speaking about the user features, what StackBill right now has is, so user can self-service. So you can create a public secure sign-up, and it is all pay-per-use billing and chargeback. You can offer Kubernetes as a service, DB as a service, DNS as a service, and AWS S3 integration is available, where you can start selling the S3 space to your customer. You can integrate it and sell it right away. And REST API integration available, and marketplace with one-click installation, multi-currency support, and multi-language is enabled. You can speak with your clients on your own language. So definitely this is going to be a great feature for your clients, where they could easily sign up on their own language, and auto-scaling. enterprise class monitoring, where we have integrated Zabbix and Prometheus for VMs and Kubernetes respectively. And you have deployment automation, reserved instance, infra as a code with Terraform, and you have RBAC, user and role management. And we have simplified the process for you. And as I said, we have a beautiful marketplace. So with 125 templates and still counting, and which is all available at a one-click installation. You can just go ahead and click and launch your VMs. And interestingly, we have launched the Kubernetes marketplace as well, where user can log into their panel. I can start working with Kubernetes. And user can upload their ISOs and start working on their own templates. And admin can also upload their ISOs and templates into their portal and offer it to your customers. And we have simplified the process. And coming to monitoring, so we have integrated, as I said, the monitoring solution. You can monitor your resources, your CPU, your memory. You can configure alerts for your virtual machines. And again, we have simplified the process. And monetize, and maximize. How do you maximize? We have 50 plus billable items, both postpaid and prepaid is available, starting from zone pricing, customer pricing, CPU, memory, IP. You can make anything with these items and start billing your customers. You can start really selling your resources and make every resources count with your data center. And I would like to present something interesting. So when we are developing this product, we came up with an idea called StackWatch. So it is on beta phase right now with instant reporting with an ML-based root cause analysis with auto healing. So this is what we are coming up with, and we are trying to integrate StackWatch with the StackBill. And we would really, the idea is to contribute to the Apache CloudStack community, the entire monitoring system on Apache standard license and Apache CloudStack license model, and we would be contributing in the near future once the product is it's live. You can still visit stackwatch.io and view the demo. And StackBill installation, coming to installation. Guess the time of installation. What time would it take to install StackBill? Ah, come on. Ta-dang! You are very close. It takes 3 minutes for installation. We have containerized the entire application, and it takes 3 minutes to install StackBill, and you can go live, yeah. And we support plugins, whatever listed over here. We have WHMCS integration, HostBill integration, and any third-party billing that you use could be integrated with StackBill. And on monitoring, as I said, we have Prometheus and Zabbix. And on bare metal, we have mass integration. On containers, we have Kubernetes, Docker, and Harbor. On DNS, we have Power DNS and Cloudflare CDN. On storage, you can integrate Amazon S3, TrueNAS, and Ceph. And on automation, you have Terraform and Ansible. So these comes with the StackBill. Coming to the important part, pricing. I'm not hiding anything like, I'm not hiding anything like Steve Jobs, and I want to bombard with the pricing. So pricing model is, again, it is being simplified. We have enterprise edition, standard edition, and a free edition. So if you want to try a free edition, then you can just go ahead and visit our website and request for installation. We'd be happy to provide. And there is a standard edition and enterprise edition. And we visit you to welcome to visit our website and view the pricing, the current pricing. And marching ahead of to 2025, and as I said, we want to be the most preferred cloud management platform by 2025, and we want to solve real problems on what data centers are facing right now. And again, it's a product of Assistance Networks, and it is a completely 100% self-funded project. And by January or February, we are expecting some VCs coming in. We have a good news for you very soon, and we have some strategic investments as well. So we are really hoping to see the next CloudStack event in a bigger way. And final question, do you want to do more billing? Yeah? Do you want to do more billing? Or do you want to do more than billing? If you want to do more than billing, welcome to StackBill. So meet us at stall number 5 and watch day 1 workshop where our CTO has presented the entire workshop, how the options looks like, and we'd be happy to assist. And as I said, I'm a marketing guy, and if you want to make peace with me, and if you want to shoot questions, we have Ravi with me. And still you can shoot questions with me. I am an AI robot. I'll say press 1 for Ravi. Thank you so much for the community, and it is a wonderful, wonderful 3-day, and I'm happy that I'm closing the show. Thank you. And Blago Teria, yeah. Thank you for my friend who has been assisting me on the, yes. Yeah.
Thank you for this great presentation. I have a question. The first one is, what is the differentiation between enterprise and standard version? How do you?
Yes, it works with nodes actually. So the number of nodes, you can visit our website and see what is the difference between the enterprise edition. On the enterprise edition, we cover end-to-end 360-degree, starting from CloudStack installation, deployment, and CloudStack support, and StackBill support. And you can have customizations on the StackBill. So if you want to monetize any specific thing, say for example, if you want a reseller module, it is definitely possible with enterprise edition, not on the standard edition. On standard edition, you will get standard ones where you have a specific nodes and number of zones as well. Yeah, this is how the pricing works.
And then I'm guessing the free version only supports 1 or 2 nodes.
Exactly right.
To test it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for the easy question.
Awesome. Any other questions from the audience before we take the online ones? Going once, going twice. Okay. Thanks for the excellent talk, Rafi. I've got 2 questions online. The first one is, how soon do you support newer CloudStack releases? What features do you see in CloudStack that will help you grow, succeed, and grow the wider community?
Yeah, that's an interesting question again. Say, as far as the feature is released, we would be sending it on our lab and check the compatibility and what are the new features supports in, what features we would like to add with the CloudStack and StackBill. And say, for example, auto balancing is a feature what we have launched earlier with the CPU and memory, but yesterday we have launched the auto balancing feature on CloudStack, and we would be integrating the same if it is perfect and working. Yeah.
Excellent. I've got another question. That's the last one. What key features StackBill has over competition, and is there a market vertical you cater to specifically?
Yes, yeah, there is a market vertical. So the first thing is going broad. We want to focus on the data centers who want to turn into a public cloud service provider. And narrowing down, we have, say, second tier countries where they don't have Amazon, where they don't have GCP. So they are really interested in the product and to launch a public cloud on their own country. So we are, again, we are focusing on the tier 2 countries where they would like to launch a public cloud without any Amazon or GCP in. And what was the next question?
Is there a specific market vertical you cater to?
Yeah, I have said the market vertical.
I think the first one is, what key features StackBill has over your competition?
So going ahead, again, it is not just comparing product A and product B. We have several set of features, say for starting from the user interface and starting from the flow. So I guess our engineers have changed at least 3 to 4 pages on creating a VM. So they are continuously improving the user base, and they want to make it user friendly. And speaking about the features, again we have a marketplace. So where it is not as easy as to install the marketplace on CloudStack, where we made it very easy for you. And again, monitoring. So monitoring is again a key feature where you could easily integrate and start selling. And S3 integration and automation and REST API. What you want? You have listed so much. Yeah. Thank you.
Excellent, and thank you again for your time and the talk, and the audience, the audience who has joined us online. Let's give a round of applause to Mohammed Rafi.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you.